This is the Citizens Foundation, Major General Fazle Mukim campus, Dhamyal, Rawalpindi. You can look at its ground. Here is a very big and vast ground with swings. Our students can enjoy here. The entrance of the school starts from here. You can see the blue main gate. So basically the building is two-story. The first floor is for primary and the second is for secondary unit. All the classes are very big and airy. Proper ventilation is available in all the classes. You can see that the building is very neat and clean. You can also observe the greenery here. The pre-primary section is decorated with charts and drawings. Here is another ground. If we come towards vision, mission and values, we have our own vision, mission and values, and we provide 5 C's of quality education. In the school there is a library with a lot of books. You can search English books, Urdu books, story books for children. The students can sit here and get knowledge. Here you can find the dictionaries in Urdu. These all are for students' help. Along with the library, here are separate labs for physics, chemistry and computer lab. You can see the chemistry lab here. All the labs are well equipped. Here you can see the computer lab. We also work on students' confidence with co-curricular activities like Miladun Nabi, Students' Week, and other special days like 14th of August. You can see a glimpse of these activities in the pictures. This picture is taken from Students' Week, and the coming picture is from 14th August. You can see the confidence in the students that we try to develop in them. Here we have houses system for our student week. In the picture you can see the students talking and enjoying their time with each other. If we talk about the classroom environment, you can see continuous improvement in all the students. They work using confidence and communication skill, and proper guidance is provided to all where they need it. You can also see that how confidently they are all working by themselves. And how happy their faces are. Here we will see the activeness of the students. In the coming pictures, you will see that how actively all the students participate and how they all are taking turns. These values are also taught to them in classroom. So here you can see the pair work done by them. You can see that everyone wants to learn and everyone is excited to participate in learning process. Here is a glimpse of examination system. You can see that how confidently the students are participating in their exams. Here you can see some aviates, and every classroom has these aviates. A picture of our outstanding results from board. You can see the numbers and the name of the students of the year. We also have an alumni program where the students who were part of TCF students are serving us now as teachers. I hope that you understand all the system of this school. You can see some parts of the buildings which make it so beautiful. You can see the classroom. You can see the group work and the pictures of those group works. Here are the prizes of appreciation. The prizes for appreciation are for both teachers and the students. In the next picture there are the prizes for class 10th, which are digital watches and gold and silver medals. These watches and silver medals are for those students who got 90% marks in their matric result. I think I have told you all. That's all. I'm requesting you to visit and decide the future of your children. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.